For as many who are here to come into the community, TBC is a wonderful and a unique community. I implore you, just want to do this short video to tell you that you are missing a lot if you have not joined the community of abundance. This is a unique community that has been eradicating poverty for over 5 years now. We are changing lives. We are molding lives, and indeed we are showing to the world that we have a great community. We are building a new community from ground up. And guess what? The community has been so strong, so vibrant, and there has been a lot of testimonies, recorded testimonies, proven testimonies over years. So I implore you, come on board. Yeah, come on board. Join the community, and your life will never remain the same. This is a community where we build generational wealth. Yes, we build generational wealth. Guess what? Is we are building a community from ground up, a new community entirely, a new payment system entirely, where we believe in abundance, where we change the status quo of scarcity in the world. God did not create scarcity. God did not create scarcity, but God created abundance. And it is based on that economics of abundance that the community of abundance, TBC community, we are riding on. We believe in abundance. So come on board, join the community, and what abundance will be yours. Thank you. Love you all. I am one of the many voices of TBC around the globe, along Lower Inde, also known as Sapphire Jewel. For as many of you are here to come into the community, you will see the registration link below. Click on that link, fill out the form, and register. And you can always contact me. Love you all. Love this broadcast. Share it and like. Thanks.